channel for the first ride review of Hero Xpulse 200.
Right, this bike is special one because it's not a normal bike. It's a dual sports off-road bike that we get in India, and it's a successor to Hero Impulse 150. Let me just take it to some off-road patch. Wait guys. Okay, so first of all, the low end and the mid-range torque is pretty much on the higher side because being this off-road bike. This is Hero's all new Xpulse 200. Today I'm going to be reviewing this bike. Basically I like kind of off-road kind of bike, and this bike in particular is made to do off-roading. And look at this, it goes long travel suspension on the front and back. It got upswift exhaust, which is really cool if you want to do water crossing or other stuff. You got 190 mm travel on the front, and the back suspension, it got a travel of around 170 mm with 10 step adjustable shock you get on the back side, and the disc is pedal disc up front and on the back side. Dual caliper on the front and single caliper on the back, equipped with Nissan calipers. You got a dual LED headlamps. Hop on it. I am around 5 feet 4 inches, and I can touch the ground pretty easily. It's not that seat height is around 823 mm, which is kind of okay for a rider like me. I can tiptoe. Talking about the engine, it's an air-cooled OHOC single cylinder motorcycle. It chunks out around 18.4 PS of power at around 8000 rpm, and it's got 17.1 mm of torque. Got a bash plate, which really helps when you go off-road because it kind of helps you to safeguard the whole engine compartment. And the USB of this bike is this chunky long travel suspension, and you also get a wide spoke wheel with alloy rims. These tires are tubeless tires. Yet the front wheel is 21 inch and the back wheel is 18 inch, which kind of helps you to go through off-road. This console is all digital, equipped with everything. It got average fuel consumption, it shows average speed. You'll get two types of trip meter. It shows the time, gear position indicator, it shows speed, time, and also you can connect your phone through Bluetooth, and you can pre-download app, and it shows you turn button navigation of the kill switch, and it shows kill switch is on. Handlebar you'll get in this bike is pretty wide. That's because when you stand up and do off-road on this bike, you'll feel no pressure on your hands. You will able to comfortably reach the handlebars in that position, so it will give you good comfort. The clutch feel is light. You get 5-speed gearbox, which is nice, and it's pretty smooth. Then you get a 13-liter fuel tank, which will give you around 400 kilometer range on a full fuel tank. This particular bike is F1 variant, so it will be priced at around 1,05,000 rupees ex-showroom. You get a grab rail where you can hold your luggage pretty comfortably. The handling is great. The handling is great because it got a diamond chassis, which is really stiff and kind of soaks up everything on its way. The suspension is long travel. It really helps to absorb every kind of bump. Even the minor bumps, see, I'm going flat out at around 20 to 30 kilometers.
The seat is very comfortable and placed in a typical off-road manner.
This bike is light. It only weighs around 150 kilograms. You won't feel that weight.
The throttle response is good, smooth, with the initial good punchy response from the throttle. The brakes are progressive, which kind of really goes on well with this nature of the bike.
Now I'll do a ride review. The gears are tall.
That means that you can easily cruise at around 80 to 100 km per hour, but after that you will feel some amount of stress on the engine side. But being this adventure tourer motorcycle which is capable of hitting off-road or any kind of terrain as a matter of fact, but the highway speeds is not its forte. With its long travel suspension and grippy seat tires, taking U-turn it's is pretty easily on this bike. And also the other thing is that filtering around traffic, this bike handles pretty much at ease. You can easily flicker around through traffic.
It goes well. The engine is pretty much refined, but I can feel some amount of vibration after 6000 RPM. There is little bit of vibration kicking in at around your footpacks and on your tank, but it's okay, we can manage. The bike handles pretty well. It's you won't feel that kind of weight.
You also get a single channel ABS which can turn off if you would like to do off-roading.
Let's go and just crank it out and see how it sounds. That's my review of this bike, guys. Hope you guys like it.
Thanks for watching guys. Please do subscribe to my channel.